famous enough for my friend to have it come to her house or something because she was like, I saw you, and I was like, me too. Oh, the earring almost came out. I'm gonna text upside down. This is not comfortable. I'm gonna hurt myself. Good. Oh, get off. Don't do that. You know my head still hurts from Sam hitting me in the head. With an elbow. With an elbow, not her elbow. I got a feeling.
Your butt's going on YouTube.
I can't make it smaller. Hidden comb.
Oh!